How to withdraw money from Binance to your GCash. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, start by clicking on trade on the bottom of your screen and simply go for the spot and then click on P2P. Now here you're just gonna need to sell and then select your particular coin and then enter the amount how much you want to go with. Then click on confirm and select the payment method and select your GCash. Make sure to enter your mobile number as well on the payment page, but before that simply select any of these trader, enter the amount, select payment method and make sure to enter your GCash mobile number, and then you just need to confirm the transaction and wait for the transaction to receive into your GCash. So I have received them, so I will simply go for the payment page and simply click on confirm, and then I will simply go for the payment received option and confirm. So that's how you can withdraw money from your Binance to GCash.